Hey guys, today we're talking about creative ways to use lighting in your renovation. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we can see we have this nice fireplace area and we have all this puck lighting in these floating shelves. And what a difference it makes with both the appearance but also the function of the area. One thing to consider here though is there was no lack of attention that had to go into the plan to make sure this was going to work out, as we had to rough in all the wiring during the rough-in stage, which is before drywall was up, knowing where we wanted the shelves to sit and making sure we had them in the right location, and then get them through the drywall in time in the right place for when the shelves went up, and then cut them in a nice balanced manner. So it's a great detail, but a lot of work goes into it, and at no insignificant cost either. I mean, the pricing behind this will depend on the fixture that you choose and how many lights you have, but in this case you can see it's really made a great difference to the end result, and we'll overlay a picture for you with the lights off to see what a difference it makes as it's lit. So when you're planning your space, think about using light to help make it a focal point, to give you that nice ambient lighting, to give you some task lighting. Here you can see it also lights up the bar surface as well to really help make that a nice usable space. So you could have the balance of the lights off on the main floor. Maybe they're watching a movie, want to prepare a drink, and there's nice task lighting there for them if they opt to. These also come in RGBK, so you can have any color you want displayed within some of the lighting as well, so you can, tone it up for your theme, whatever time of year it is, whatever celebration it might be. So give that some thought when you're planning your renovation. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channels.